Oh, hey, why don't you come have a seat? Sit around the fire. We'll tell you some stories. Nice of you to join us.
Yeah, thanks for the invite.
Just about to tell our new friends about the time we went to the More Expo 2026.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That was a good time.
Yeah, Springfield, Missouri. You want to hear about the time we went to the More Expo? I'm Dave.
I'm Shelby, and this is Chunk.
And this is DOS Adventures. This was our first time going to this expo, and it was way cooler than we expected. It had a lot of things that we didn't even know existed in the camping world, the overlanding world. A lot of cool trailers.
A lot of cool vans.
Oh yeah, the vans. That's one thing that we never knew we needed. Well, this has just kind of sold us on getting a van. Remember when we had to take shelter because we thought there was going to be a tornado?
Yeah, but then we met some really cool people.
We really appreciate them. They were good friends. They were good people.
They were.
They fed us. They gave us drinks.
Good conversation.
Yeah, it was a good time. Huh? Storms are coming. There's talks of tornadoes, or a tornado anyway. So we'll see how this plays out.
You gotta breathe. Cow. Another cow.
Actually, I think that was the same one.
We thankfully never saw any flying cows or experienced any tornadoes, although the storms did get pretty bad. Here's a few of our favorite vehicles we saw.
Had an extra hub if you ever broke one, and now I've got a Danish one.
This is what we need right here. This or the Blazer? This thing's cool. Look at that thing.
That's kind of what we think too. You gotta lock it in, but
Look there, there's the battery system.
It's got the.
It's a new lane cruiser. That's crazy. The best part about the More Expo is all the knowledge you can gain. Whether you want to learn about trauma care on the trail, learn how to tie knots, or just intro to overlanding, they have something for everyone. Or if you get the VIP package, you can take these outdoor classes where they teach you things like different winching techniques, proper way to use a high lift jack, and how to safely recover a vehicle whether rolled over or not, as well as a few others, and you get to be hands-on. This experience is what made us ultimately really want to go to this event, and this is arguably the best part, all the knowledge that you can get from this event. These outdoor classes were put on by Switchback Outdoor Safety and Recovery, and I highly recommend checking them out. I'll put a link in the description below. It is super important to always be knowledgeable and safe when doing any kind of recovery. So, yeah, pretty much in a nutshell, that was everything we did
That was
in
our
Missouri.
first trip to Missouri.
Yeah, first time in Missouri. So another state to check off, which was pretty cool. And it was a good adventure.
It was a good adventure.
Definitely look forward to the next one. Wherever that takes us.
Wherever the wind blows.
Yep, we'll be there. We'll be there.